Getting there. One step at a time. The Heybike electric bike. Yeah, this video is not sponsored at all. We are out here now for a test ride with that thing right there. The Heybike electric bike. Heybike electric bike. It is kind of windy now, but I think we should be all right. We're here in Florida, northeast Florida, and Hurricane Nicole is out there. There's that gust of wind, and just thought about, I needed to test this out. No hurricane is gonna stop me from riding. This thing is totally powerful. It's 500 watts, and it really does the job well, very well. It's really rugged, it has fat tires, so it's pretty good on off-roading. And I do love the disc brakes. Brakes are really, really tight and really powerful. And I do have like 4 quick reasons why I got an electric bike. And here it is, just to jump right into it. Okay, now it is not safe to ride your bike while recording, while vlogging. Of course, that's why I'm doing it here in a parking lot, which is safer, I guess, of course. And for one reason is gas. Gas is getting insanely expensive. It's been steady for quite a while now. It doesn't, you know, it's not as expensive as before, but it's still expensive. I know gas in California is around $5, if I'm not mistaken, because my family members are there, cousins and everyone else. There are times where I just have to make like a quick stop to Publix or Walmart to get some grocery runs, and I just use, you know, the Mustang. And now I got this electric bike, and I can just use this without spending anything on gas. Let's say number 2 is mostly because of exercise. I mean, exercise is really important for all of us, no matter what the age is, because I'm 35, no matter the age. But, you know, just to get your blood pumping, your heart going, and it's just about the time to get healthy. This is me getting healthy. Let's see the top speed. Top speed goes to 20. As advertised, it said it would. Number 3 is you get to go more outdoors. More outdoors, more in touch with nature. Hence the trees. You get to feel everything else. You get to get dirty, smell all these different kind of things, the insects going in your face and all that stuff. You'll get to experience all those things. I know it's not that intimidating, but you know, it's just something different from what you're really used to. And it's getting out of your comfort zone. That's what it is, right? That's just what's really keeps us going. And that's what the fun is. That's where the fun is, what I mean. Sorry, I speak 2 languages. This is just, I just still can't believe I got this thing. Number 4 is that this thing is foldable, which is a good thing at the time because, you know, you can actually fold this bike into, you know, more compact, so you can actually bring it anywhere you want. So when things fold, a lot of gadgets that do fold, they do have a tendency to break, which is concerning, right? But for this is all metal. For a guy like me, I know, I could say that I'm pretty strong, but I'm not, you know, super strong, but it's hard for me to take out this, you know, let's see. This latch right here is the one where it unfolds the bike. So you have to press it here and then you yank it out. See? I do need 2 hands. There you go. All right, so there, I yanked that out. That's where the bolt gets attached to on the back of this latch or lever, and it just folds from there. Battery life for this thing, you know, if it's pure electric, if you're just gonna use this for electric only, you're not gonna pedal at all, which you can, which is surprising, and that would take you around 37 miles for that entire battery to drain out. If you do have pedal assist is something where you would pedal, I mean, ever so slightly, and the electric would already pump up the motors, and that for one, that's pretty strong. But anyway, that would take you around 48 miles per battery charge. So that's pretty insane. The price point for this thing is about, you know, it's $1,500, but I think right now, as of today, November 11, it's $1,050. So go grab it while you can. I mean, I got affiliate links down below. There's this bike right now. I love it. I'm gonna keep on riding it. We'll see what goes. I mean, I'm thinking about making like a small series of where or how far I could take this bike. Thumbs up. I mean, subscribe. I mean, I know I'm pretty much like a small channel YouTuber, I guess, YouTuber. And you know, it would be just fun to create some videos like this. I mean, for myself and for everyone else out there who really likes these things, just like I do. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and goodbye.